Let's explore the 6th through 8th grade student experience in Monarch by AOP. Each school day, your child will log into Monarch to access their student dashboard, which provides an overview of course assignments for them to complete. Your student will progress at their own pace, learning through narrative, video, and interactive multimedia, as well as assessments. They can also choose to work ahead using their calendar and assignments views. Parents are encouraged to partner with their child to manage their schedule with agreed-upon deadlines. This helps develop students' time management and critical thinking skills. Attention spans are growing at this developmental stage, so Monarch lessons include more content, and student lessons should be kept to 30 to 45-minute subject blocks. Your student can easily communicate with you through the notes feature of an assessment when they have questions for you. They can also DM you through the messages feature on their homepage and in the top navigation bar. Check your messages regularly to ensure your student is able to stay on track with their lessons. Your student's dashboard will only display courses you assign to them from your parent account with AOP. In addition to core subjects, electives are offered as early as 3rd grade, which allow your student to continue expanding their knowledge in areas that interest them. Is Monarch right for your middle school student? Start your free trial today.